Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through downtown Kingston and we are on Duke Street, heading from the Ocean Boulevard area towards National Hero Circle. Today is a Sunday, so the place isn't that busy, but during the week this is a very busy, downtown Kingston is a very busy place. Now this section of Duke Street has a lot of banks, offices. It's more of a commercial area. Or this section of downtown have a lot of insurance companies. On the left is the electoral office of Jamaica headquarters. A lot of financial institutions are on this side of downtown Kingston, especially on Duke Street. We just passed the RGD building on the right, Family Court building on the left. Further up is Garden House, and that's where the government of Jamaica meets, where the parliament meets. I think it's every Tuesday they meet. We're now passing over the intersection at East Queen Street. On the right is one of those historic buildings. Looks like a church. Yep, it's a church. You can tell from the architecture it was built a long time ago. Downtown Kingston basically flourished after the Port Royal earthquake had destroyed Port Royal. Okay, coming up on the left now, where you see that banner. Okay, on the left is the National Heritage Trust. That's their head office. And here on the right now is the George William Garden House, or just known as Garden House, and that's where the Parliament meets. Now, Jamaica is a very historic country. You have a lot of sites that are deemed National Heritage Sites, and that's what the National Heritage Trust does. They manage those sites. For instance, in Spanish Town, okay, now St. Catherine, you have Flatbridge, which is an historic site. It's the oldest bridge in Jamaica and probably in the Caribbean. You have the cast iron bridge in Spanish Town, which is the oldest cast iron bridge, I think, outside of England. Definitely the oldest one in Jamaica and the Caribbean. So you have a lot of sites that are very historic, that are very, what would you say, I guess historic. And those sites have to be maintained and preserved. So that's where the National Heritage Trust comes in. And some of these sites are historic sites the world over. Like UNESCO has their thing of heritage sites also. And the cast iron bridge in Spanish Town is on the list of the UNESCO heritage sites. I'm not sure if Flatbridge is on it, but in Jamaica, those are very important historic sites. Alright, so we're now at the end of Duke Street, and Duke Street will intersect National Hero Circle at the end of this road. And Duke Street is a one-way, so if you want to leave from downtown Kingston to get to Crossroads, this is the road you would take. And then if you want to go from Crossroads, you'd have to take North Street or East Street or one of those other streets. King Street is also another one that runs straight down. Okay, straight ahead now, that's National Heroes Circle, or the road, and then across it is National Heroes Park. And that is where the national heroes and prime ministers of Jamaica are buried. It's a very historic site. On the right is the Ministry of Education building. Straight ahead is the Ministry of Finance building. Sorry, this blue building is the Ministry of Labor building. That one on the right. Then Straight ahead on the right now, that taller building is the Ministry of Finance building. There you go. Okay, we're going to stay on National Hero Circle and just drive around. So on the left is the park. Now this section of the park is like open to the public, but where you have the graves, that you could say, that section is like blocked off. You can still access it, but it's like blocked off. So it's like a different section of the park. Okay, on the right is Woolmouse Girls School, and then right beside it you can see where the fence changes color. This is Woolmouse Boys School. Now Woolmouse Boys School is the oldest school in Jamaica. It's also one of the top schools, and a school that has a lot of history, like prime ministers attend the school. Very historic school. Okay, so on the left is National Heroes Park, and we're on National Heroes Circle. Now we're going to turn left here and stay on National Hero Circle, but if we were to go straight, that would take us on to Slipe Road. And also if we were to go at that stoplight there, we were to go straight across, that would take us to the Kingston Public Hospital. At that stoplight you turn right, you go back up to the Crossroads area. Now straight ahead on the right where the fork is, if we were to go right, that would take us onto King Street, and King Street would lead us back into downtown Kingston, and it runs to Parade, and then it breaks because of the park, and then you can get back on King Street and head down to Ocean Boulevard. Wow, not really sure why that road looks like that, but it looks terrible. Okay, up here now on the right is where they sell like food, very nice crab soup, those kind of things. They call it Crab Circle. Here you can see it's nicely fixed up, but today is a Sunday, so not much activity over there. Okay, where you see that black car, that's where Duke Street intersects National Hero Circle. At the roundabout or the tile, that would, we turn right there, we would go on to North Street and take us back into downtown Kingston. If we had turned left at that gate, it would take us into the park, the section where the graves are. And on the right, that blue building is the Ministry of Education building. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.